Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have LENOVO Tab Plus and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but you can't download anything from Google Play Store because your applications are not visible on it, as in my situation. When you search your game but you don't have it there, go back to the main menu of your table and Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. In its settings, family and parental control. Now we have Pegi 3.2 visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than Pegi 3 to change it. Tap there, enter look screen to your connect pin to your Google to your parental control, and there tap on Pegi 16, confirm by others and save. You can also turn off all your parental control by switch off, and that's all. You can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.